Hello everyone! Welcome for today's reading tutorial for beginning readers. Today, another sound will be learned. Are you ready to learn? That's great! But before that, let's first review. Let us say the sound of the following letters presented. This is A. Once again, A. This is M. Once again, M. S. Once again, S. That's great. This is E. Once again, E. Very good. This is D. Once again, D. That's right. This is R. Once again, R. Very good. This is F. Once again, say it with me. F. Very good. And now, what did you see on the video? You are right. It's an igloo. Igloo starts with the sound E. Once again, say it with me. E. Once again, E. That's right. So this is E. Our sound for today is E. This is E. Now, your turn. Very good. Let's say it together. E. Once again, E. That's great. What did you see on the video? Yes, very good. It's an iguana. Iguana starts with the sound E. You say it with me. E. That's right. This is E. How about this one? What is in the picture? You are great. It's an ink. Ink starts with E. Very good. You say it with me. E. This is E. Once again, E. That's great. What's this? Oh, it's an injection. Injection starts with the sound E. This is E. Once again, say it with me. E. Once again, E. Very good. Let's try to identify which word is different from the set. Are you ready? That's great. The word are igloo, ink, igloo. Which word is different? You are great. It's ink. Next group of words. This is ink. Ink, igloo. Which word is different? You are great. It's igloo. Very good. At this point, let us say the middle sound of the following words presented. What's this? Yay, you are right. It's six. What is the middle sound on the word six? That's great. It's E. You say it with me. E. Very good. How about this one? What is in the picture? Yay, you are right. It's a wig. What is the middle sound of the word wig? Very good. It's E. You are great. What did you see on the picture? Yay, it's a zip. What is the middle sound on the word zip? You are great. It's E. Once again, say it with me. E. Very good. The word is win. What is the middle sound of the word win? You are great. It's E. Very good. At this moment, it's time for us to read. But remember our reading rules. My turn first, then you follow after me. When I'll touch it, you'll say it. You'll keep on saying it as long as I'll touch it. Are you ready? That's great. My turn. E, T. Now, your turn. Very good. And now, let's read it together. It. Once again, it. Very good. E, S. Now, Your turn. Very good. Let's read it together. Is. Once again, is. My turn. S. I. M. Now, your turn. Very good. Let's read it together. Sim. Once again, sim. My turn again. This is D. I. M. Now, your turn. Very good. Now, let's read it together. Dim. Once again, dim. My turn again. E. D. Very good. Let's read it together. Id. Once again, id. This is E. Once again, E. Now, your turn. Very good. Let's say it together. E. That's great. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned a lot today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.